Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you're having the most wonderful day today. Guys, today's video is all about a giveaway. I have built up quite a little selection of items that I have purchased throughout my haul videos, and I love giving you guys the opportunity to try them out as well. So this is all about items that I have picked up over my last number of hauls, and I'm going to show you guys what's inside the box. But before we do that, we're going to start this video by me showing you guys obviously what's inside here, and then we're going to do the rules at the end. I always like to do the fun bit to start off with, and then the not so fun bit at the end. So let's go ahead and show you guys what we've got inside this box. This box is jam-packed full of items that I've purchased, and I'm so excited for the winner to try out all of the bits and pieces that I've been able to try out, and maybe you haven't been able to find them. So this is so much fun. Inside the pack we have 2 sets of Rose eye masks, great for reducing puffiness and giving you a little bit of freshening up around the eyes. We have a set of, well, not a set, a pair of spa slippers. Not so interesting, but still good and fun. We have a Skin Foodies refreshing face mask. This is this provides 2 applications. So you open it and then you use half, and then you close it, and then you use the other half. And it is a green clay and cucumber extract, and it's great for blemish prone skin. It is also 90% derived from natural sources, so that is pretty awesome. We have an amazing Face Facts cleansing eye cream. This eye cream is fantastic. I have some of these that I'm still using, and I think they're great. It's enriched with vitamin E. It conditions the skin and reduces puffiness. So we have a lot of eye products to help freshen up that eye area. We have a Love Life body scrub. This body scrub is a gentle exfoliating scrub with walnut shells that make your skin feel soft and supple. And you're getting, this is a full-sized product, which is 150 milliliters. So that's pretty awesome. Some treats. These are the Hello Panda Japanese. They're Japanese. These aren't Japanese treats, I don't believe, but they're really popular in Japan. I have tried similar ones to these before, but these are fun-filled biscuit treats. So you're getting some little treats. We have a set of stunning, very fashionable, reusable eyelashes. We have 2 gorgeous strawberry scented bath bombs. What else do we have in here? We have a gorgeous makeup brush. This makeup brush is brand new. It is a foundation brush. We also have a gorgeous Primark PS Honey Kiss perfume, and you're getting 20 milliliters. We have a set of Candy Cane Lane Sugar Drops scented body wash and body lotion. And then you have the 2 accompanying Candy, oh, they're upside down, Candy Cane Lane Candy Drops lip balm. So this is scented lip balm. This has never been opened. Let's open it and show you guys. Smells so sweet and nice. And you're getting 10 grams. And in the Arctic Blast scented lip balm, you're also getting 10 grams. I was expecting the Arctic Blast to smell minty. It doesn't. It still smells sweet. So guys, this is everything that we have for our fun giveaway. This is a lot of stuff to pop into this giveaway. So I really hope you guys are as excited as me and that you love a little pamper day. Guys, the rules to this giveaway are pretty straightforward. The first thing is, this is only opened in the UK. Unfortunately, due to COVID and the restrictions, I'm not able to post this outside of the UK, and the postage costs are exorbitant, so we try to keep it more local. So this is a UK only giveaway. You must be a subscriber. You have to like the video. I really can't express enough how important liking the videos are. It really does help support my channel. So if you could do that, I would be very, very, very pleased. And guys, we're going to do this giveaway once my channel reaches 420 subscribers. My channel is really small. I'm trying really hard to grow it. So if you guys can get liking my videos and subscribing, and then don't forget to leave a comment, guys. All of my giveaways are based on the comments. So please put a comment in the comment section. It doesn't matter what it is. You can tell me your name. You can tell me where you're from. You can tell me that you want to be entered. Really, really doesn't matter, as long as they're nice and they're friendly comments. And then once my channel hits 420 subscribers, we will be doing this giveaway. Now guys, that's only 25 subscribers away. So this hopefully should be very quick, very fast moving giveaway, because I have some really good, exciting giveaways to give in to do in the future. So please feel free to enter. And I really hope you guys have the most amazing day. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment, and you'll be entered into this video. Hope you all have the most amazing day. Please take care, please stay safe, and please, please, please look out for each other. Have an amazing day again, and I'm going to catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Bye.